DJ MTV.
Country people, for this our Naija and this our world, nothing person no go see or person no go hear. Imagine person when God just create finish, God create you finish, create everything you complete, everything dey well for you. You say now baname, now I carry you come. I beg, I no fit put mouth for this. I don't know what I want talk. Make we just show us the video, make we see.
I'm so happy. I left the water world so many years ago and came to the land of the living, and I'm happy. I'm no longer a child. I was a baby before. I'm growing up now. I thank Obanami, the king of the water, for allowing me to stay in the land of the living after living a big palace full of silver and gold diamond, after sitting with a mighty king, sitting in the throne with him as the goddess of the water, as the prince of the sea, as the prince that has different body, that changes his colors every minute and hour. And I left all my treasures and came to the land of living. As I'm in the land of living, may this land of the living bring me peace, Ashe. May it bring me long life, Ashe. May it bring me peace and happiness, Ashe. May it give me all the good things of life, Ashe. May I not regret while coming to the land of living. May the mission that was given to me by Obanami, by the ancestors of the water, may I accomplish the mission, Ashe. Agaleruagbon Isagbe. It means when you pray a good prayer, you must say Ashe, Ise. The Yoruba people pray and say Ashe, and the Benin people pray and say Ise. As I have prayed all my heart desire, may the king of the water, Olokun, may he answer all my secret prayer. And may I hear the sounds and the drums of the spirits to dance to the music of the ancestors. May I not regret coming into the land of living. Ashe, so shall it be. And may all my enemy be cursed by the waters, by the Red Sea, by the Blue Sea. May them be condemned to death for speaking against the goddess and the prince of the ocean. Ashe. May all those who have planted evil against me, may they reap all the evil that they have sown. Ashe. May all those who have planted good about me, may they reap their good in thousands folds. Ashe. May I not use my body to commit abomination to my deity. Ashe. As I have kept my body as a sign and purity, as I have wear the white wrapper, may no man or woman ever put a dirty stain on it. Ashe. White cloth is a sign of purity. And may I be like the beautiful bride that will be present to Obanami when my crown is coming. Ashe. So shall it be. May I not commit sin against my ancestors. Ashe. So shall it be. He said, Benita Eliohiaye.
That one resemble wetin Obanami make, I be na wetin God make. I leave am for una make una decide, because me I no get wetin I go talk too much for this one. If this one na the first time when you take dey watch our news videos like this, I beg, no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJ MTV, and make you not forgetful to hit the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge news videos from us like this.
DJ MTV.